Happy holidays and welcome to the month of December here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. With our proximity to the factory, we're able to provide you savings compared to other RV dealerships. Take advantage of these savings now during our Get Lowest Price sale on the Winnebago Revel all-wheel drive, the Winnebago Roam, and the Winnebago Solis 59P. See our blogs and our content and videos this month where we focus on the 2024 Winnebago motorhome model floor plan introductions in both the Class B camper vans and Class C motorhomes. Stay tuned to the end of our newsletter where we have a special holiday greeting for you.
Hi, I'm Cody Leakey, RV sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. The Winnebago Revel saw a number of changes over the past year, but continues as the classic off-road and off-grid adventure van. Both the Revel 44E and 44N floor plans are built on the Mercedes-Benz all-wheel drive Sprinter chassis with similar layouts. However, there are a number of differences in these two floor plans to help bridge the increased cost of the 44E compared to the Revel Sport 44N. The Revel 44N features a 320 amp-hour battery with 4,133 watt-hours, expandable to 8,266 watt-hours with an additional Lichtsinn RV installed battery. The 44E comes with the exclusive Winnebago PowerMax system and an 8,448 watt-hours Lithionics lithium battery, also expandable at Lichtsinn RV. The 44N features a 2,000 watt inverter charger, AC to DC converter, and alternator charger. The 44E includes the EcoFlow Power Hub Pro 5-in-1 system, saving space and weight with a 3,600 watt inverter charger, DC to DC converter, MPPT solar charger, and alternator charger. The 44N has aluminum running boards and a movable ladder, while the 44E includes custom tubular running boards and a fixed position ladder. Unique to the 44E is the restyled Summit roof rack with a front LED light bar for a combined 22,000 lumens of light. The 44N has a bench seat with one integrated 3-point seat belt and one lap belt, and the 44E has lounge seating with two integrated 3-point seat belts with recline and side adjustments. The 44N has a bifold bathroom door, while the 44E has a flip-out privacy panel bathroom door with a mirror. The 44N has single-zone hydronic heating, and the 44E includes a multi-zone hydronic heating system. And lastly, the freshwater tank capacity in the 44N is 24 gallons, while the freshwater tank capacity in the 44E is 35 gallons. For additional questions on the Winnebago Revel 44E or 44N floor plan, contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV sales consultant today.
One of the many things that sets Lichtsinn RV apart from other RV dealerships is our commitment to informing our guests. One of the ways that we do this is through our extensive video library that can be found on our website. Enjoy videos like discussing RV lifestyle, learn more about the team at Lichtsinn RV, and have your product questions answered. At Lichtsinn RV, Winnebagos are the only new motorhomes that we carry. So this allows our team to focus on Winnebago product exclusively and create unique product comparison, and how-to videos specific to Winnebago RV models. For example, are you looking to winterize your RV? Great, the Lichtsinn RV video library can help. And if you have questions that you can't find answers to on our video library, our team of Winnebago motorhome experts is just a phone call away.